Welcome to Edinburgh, Scotland's capital and one of the most enchanting cities in the world. Whether you're here for the rich history, breathtaking views, or simply to soak in the culture, Edinburgh has something for everyone. Today I'm taking you on the ultimate travel guide through this magical city, from must-see sights to where to stay for the most authentic experience. So let's get started. Let's kick things off right here on the Royal Mile, the beating heart of Edinburgh's old town. This historic street stretches from the majestic Edinburgh Castle down to the Palace of Holyrood House. It's a 1-mile journey through centuries of history, lined with quaint shops, traditional pubs, and street performers that bring the city to life. The Royal Mile is a bustling street filled with lively street performers. Don't miss the chance to enjoy them.
Racing games on 3, 2, 1, throw it!
Next we are stepping into the awe-inspiring St. Giles Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece is not just a place of worship, but a treasure trove of art, history, and architecture. The stained glass windows and the Thistle Chapel are absolutely stunning. Don't miss them. And here it is, the crown jewel of Edinburgh, the iconic Edinburgh Castle. Perched on Castle Rock, this fortress has witnessed countless historical events and offers unbeatable views of the city below. From the crown jewels to the Stone of Destiny, there is so much to explore here. For those epic Instagram shots, you got to hike up Calton Hill. The views from the top are simply breathtaking. You can see the entire cityscape, the Firth of Forth, and the distant highlands. Plus you'll find iconic monuments like the National Monument and the Nelson Monument up here, making it a must-visit spot. Now let's take a peaceful detour to Dean Village, a picturesque neighborhood that feels like stepping back in time. With its cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and the tranquil water of Leith flowing through, it's a perfect escape from city's hustle and bustle. Trust me, you'll want to spend some time here just soaking in the serenity. Back to the buzz of the city, we're now in the Grass Market. This historic marketplace is full of character with its lively pubs, restaurants and shops. It's the perfect spot to grab a bite, enjoy some traditional Scottish fare, and maybe even catch some live music. Victoria Street is next on our list, a colourful winding street that's straight out of a fairy tale. Its unique architecture, bright shop fronts, and eclectic mix of boutiques makes it one of the most photographed streets in Edinburgh. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll definitely recognize the inspiration behind Diagon Alley. For a hidden gem, head over to Vennel Steps. It's a bit off the beaten path, but it offers one of the best views of Edinburgh Castle. Plus the cobblestone path leading up to the castle makes for a perfect photo spot. Need a break? Princes Street Garden is the best place to be. Nestled between the old and new towns, this public park is a lush green oasis in the heart of the city. It's a great spot to relax, have a picnic, or simply take in the beauty of the surrounding historical landmarks. Edinburgh also offers intimate whisky tasting spots, perfect for discovering curated selections and unique vintages. And if you're a whisky lover, don't forget to try it out. For a bit of culture, make sure to visit the National Museum of Scotland. This place has it all, from Scottish history and culture to science and technology exhibits. It's educational, entertaining, and a fantastic way to spend a few hours, especially if you're traveling with kids. Now that we've covered the must-see spots, let's talk about where to stay. If you really want to experience the true essence of Edinburgh, there is no better place to stay than the Old Town. This area is the soul of the city, full of history, character, and those charming narrow streets that make Edinburgh so unique. And when it comes to accommodation, booking an Airbnb is the way to go. Why? Well, imagine staying in a cozy apartment with a view of Edinburgh Castle or a charming flat nestled in one of those ancient alleyways. It's also economical. Staying at the hotel will cost you around £250 per night for one room, whereas in the Airbnb you can get the whole apartment merely in £150 per night. So there you have it, your ultimate travel guide to Edinburgh. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, this city never ceases to amaze. So pack your bags, book that Airbnb and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. See you in the next one.